But you can also see that the organizations using AI has rapidly increased over the last year. And you can see a powerful change of the use, not just AI, but the use of Gen AI in the office and in businesses from 23 to 24 with a huge spike off to the right. This is data from March 25, so this is just a few weeks ago. Again, grounding ourselves in the reality of how companies and businesses are using AI, you can see that the number one use case that people are starting to use is supply chain and inventory management. Because companies and CEOs are looking to figure out ways AI can reduce costs and reduce OpEx. So we can see that also HR and IT are starting to spike in their use case at 50% and 42% of companies reporting that they're starting to use AI there. And what they're looking at is between 34 and 50% reporting operating expenses savings between 10% and 20% of the top line. Now, when we talk about worker productivity, this is really, really important because we do have to think about what the goals are with AI in business. PwC, again, does a fantastic job looking and forecasting, and you can see from this chart, which is an eye chart, but really important that they can see a real impact of AI from end to end. From the beginning of product creation through strategy, through process, through finance, inventory control, merchandising, and sales. There's a place for AI in every single thing as we think about every aspect of our business, as we think about this as an end-to-end solution all the way through. You'll hear me talk a little bit in this presentation today about Amy Webb and her Future Today strategy group. Amy Webb is a 20-year speaker and veteran at South by Southwest. That is a venue that I find really, really important. I call it Davos, or World Economic Forum for the rest of us, as we get to go to Austin and we get to learn about what people are talking about what is the direction of travel in society, in technology, in the creator community, in policy. And what she put forward in this March at South by Southwest is that these are, if you can look at this chart, this is every single technology that you can think of.